sweet is that? Neo finds refuge in her adopted mom, Mochi. Yan o. Mochi yan. Ano? Neo yan. Blue eyes. Handsome. Healthy. Oh, that's true. Oh, hug yan kay adopted mommy Mochi. Cutie. Thank you, Mochi. You found a son. It's nice to have a relationship, no? Oh, fellowship, oh. Biting. Ah, cute man yan. Love it.